We are pleased to show you the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.